Ever face the coding problem that makes you scratch your head? Well, in today's conundrum, we have a scenario where implementing the Runge-Kutta-Fehlberg method in Rust led to ownership issues due to the nalgebra type not implementing copy. As a result, the compiler suggested using clone, but this resulted in multiple .clone statements within a loop, raising concerns about performance impact and possible alternatives. Now, diving into the solution offered, we can optimize the code by avoiding unnecessary cloning. By simply using inState instead of inState.clone in all the relevant places, we can sidestep the need for redundant copies. Additionally, tweaking the rkf_step function to take in statf64 as an argument and passing the state with inState instead of cloning further streamlines the process. And for the final clone, modifying the loop structure ensures minimal cloning, saving on performance costs. In summary, by strategically eliminating redundant clones and optimizing data handling, we can enhance the efficiency of the code while maintaining functionality. So, next time you encounter ownership issues in Rust, remember to consider alternatives to cloning for a smoother coding experience. And with that, it's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Keep coding and stay tuned for more tech solutions.